Anyways. Welcome to Tapawingo. Yay! Little hearts. Yes. Did you guys set up your tent?
Yes, we have 2 picnic tables, 2 roots, 2 rocks, and a tree.
I want to say we got the best spot. So we got it next to the fire and water.
They don't have a good spot.
Wait, let's do a fit check. Yeah.
Top is from Aerie. The shorts are from Lulu. The shoes are from Doc Martens.
Socks are from Hanes.
Pirate, what's your pirate names?
Mine's Red Rackham. If you don't know it, get out of here.
I'm not a reference.
What's your name?
Mine's Arr.
No, it's Jar.
What's yours?
I'm Pegleg Pete.
Does that even make any sense?
It does because
One-legged
I have a peg leg.
Christian, what's your pirate name?
Christian the meme.
Christian the meme.
The meme.
Kaylee, what's your pirate name?
Cracked bird.
Like I said, guys, she's cracked.
She's cracked.
Ollie, what's your pirate name?
I don't have one yet. I gotta think.
Oh, shoot.
Molly the.
What is things you like? She can't.
I love him.
Do you love him more than getting coffee with people?
And then Eddie Redmayne was.
I love Eddie Redmayne.
I love Eddie Redmayne. Oh my goodness. I would absolutely melt for what are you doing on
Give me my camera.
Bye guys. This has been
Never.
the Lift Vlog. Join us next week when we
Bop.
vlog some more.
Wait, actually, do
Smash
it.
that subscribe button.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Who's
Welcome to our tent. This is Alex running.
Alex.
What up? It's Drake, Josh, and me. You're lovable. Let's get that rap POV. Yeah.
Yeah, 1:30.
Elijah. What's for lunch?
I got some grilled cheese. I got some Fritos. I got some pretzels.
Got a grilled cheese.
Oh, okay. Whatever Paul said. And we got the coleslaw.
Joshua Merida.
Oh, and don't forget the apple. You're a terrible child. But you can get better.
Breaking down and causing discord among brethren.
And
Werewolf!
No, my sister actually lives there.
There are not 1, not 2, not 3.
So we visited. I was low key.
I know I'm saying.
NBC. NBC.
She's an NPC. She got so many responses.
I bet she walks into doors all the time.
It's okay.
What are you?
I'm a villager.
I would say she. What were you, Kaylee?
The troublemaker.
But she put a werewolf token.
Quote of thumb. My rule of thumb. My green thumb is to always remain mysterious.
No idea.
That's a horrible thing.
Oh, okay. Just got done playing.
You just got dumped.
So you were the.
I feel like I did good. You know what I'm saying? Chris shit over here. I don't know what he was doing. He was on something else. He was.
It was not good.
You're so Susan. No, you're Susan.
Once your fuel, if your fuel is wet, you want to be very. Whoa, we are learning how to build a fire right now.
So Addie said a couple things.
Oh, we are at the Gospel Rocks.
Gospel-y.
That's what I'm saying. I'm getting the vibe. Wow. It's our last morning here. And it's beautiful outside. We got done with work early, like an hour early. But yeah.
Yep. Okay. We're gonna go visit some other people. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Oh my gosh, hi. What are we doing?
We're playing frisbee very badly.
Let's
it's the
go.
humility circle.
Let's go. Say
What's up?
say hi to the vlog. Yep. Gang gang. Oh my gosh, it's Drake. Guys, how's this morning going?
Pretty good.
Don't forget to donate to our Lift 48 Patreon. Every $10 you donate goes towards Mackenzie's rapping career. There you go. There you go. I know.